Hey everyone, my name is Jess and I'm the founder of Sallie Tomato, and this year's holiday just got a little more royal. Let's unwrap today's item to see what's inside. Day 16 is designed to offer both elegance and protection. You'll be enticed to create more than one. We'd love to see what you create. Remember to use the hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media. I am so excited for you to have this pattern. The Drew custom size cover is a versatile and protective accessory designed to fit various items such as a passport, planner, books, or other belongings. This pattern has a very simple construction, a snug fit, and a professional finish, which makes it perfect for protecting and organizing your essentials. Inside the cover, you'll find multiple card pockets, perfect for storing credit cards, ID cards, or business cards. We provided all of the materials needed for Drew in yesterday's Advent gift, so you should be all set to create this project. We look forward to seeing how you create the Drew custom cover and customize it for your own personal style. So please share photos with us using the hashtag Sallie Tomato Advent Box on social media. And thank you so much for watching today's unboxing video. If you're curious about pre-ordering next year's Advent box, we've added a link below to sign up for our newsletter where we will email when our Advent box for next year is ready for pre-order. Let us know in the comments what you think of today's item. We hope you enjoy this pattern, and I look forward to seeing you in another video. Happy holidays!